Pagka nagtipid, bape yun, only yun.
Hello everyone, today we're celebrating Father's Day in New The Podium. Before we go, we want you to look at our outfits. This is Ates. We went na for a solo fashion show. Oh, describe your fit.
Giving girl.
Giving picnic. Giving. This is mine. Blue. Blue ang tem today. Shoes. I'm wearing interlude. We're all wearing the same bag. And then, ako lang yung ibang kulay.
Mine is Cloud Bag and Oats from Emily.
So this fit will make more sense without this jacket. But this is fits. So, yung likod sana yung WB.
Okay.
What is that?
WB.
This is my shoes.
You know
Susutin
that.
ko na nga.
You just haven't seen. Anyway guys, I'm gonna drive, so I'm gonna get the car ready already because we might be late.
Okay guys, let's go. Uy,
Yan na. Bye-bye. See you there. Hindi. Yung Digicam mo nga nagagamit ko eh. Huh? Yung luma, yung orange na waterproof something.
Wow, look at, oh wow.
Hello everyone, we're going to the podium already.
We are rushing. We're rushing.
We're not late, we're just very on time.
You're not showing Dad.
D, say
Say
hi.
hi, happy Father's Day, Daddy.
Thank you.
So, what are you most excited about today?
Sushi.
Oh my god, only salmon din kasi sa new. May only steak. Ayun, what else about today? What's our plans after? Ikot Mega Mall.
I guess.
Bye guys. See you there.
Bye guys.
Or pag nagte-take out ako kay Iris lang pa.
Hello guys, we're in the podium already. These are their fits. Here's his father. D, hello.
Wala nito.
Sa vlog?
Yeah.
Hi, vlog.
Ayan na. Che, char.
You ask for it.
Hindi ka mauna ako sa stage.
Ay.
Okay ka muna to.
Ako dito muna.
Dito na lang, ma. Okay na yan dyan. Grab. Okay, it's time.
Cheers everyone. Ano ba to? Guys, I'm waiting for the Sprite.
Tagal niya. Pinagano pa lang ni... I was talking to them how it's so tagal.
Wait lang. Whatever it is.
They don't have real sauce.
Girl, yung sauce.
Oh, nice. Sauce never done.
John and Rose Beef.
Ito na talaga.
Wine. Sangria. Fruity wine.
Light na light siya.
Ginagawa ka. Water.
Experience kasi.
Pero yung mga sauces. Ito, toyo lang. Hindi siya kikuha.
Wala naman din.
This is my favorite breed. That's something.
You get that to the bread area.
Yung sauce na ginagawa.
Oh, you have that.
Ayun, sa taas. Say bye-bye. Bye ka din.
Bye, Kate.
Oh,
Hindi ko mapatay tuloy.
what do you think of the selection here in...
It looks good.
Naku, may ano sila.
Ooh.
At, show yours. Uy, caviar.
What?
White chocolate and caviar.
Oh my god.
Try natin. Nauna na si Daddy. Oh, cheers na lang. What do you think?
Weird combination.
It's salmon tartar
I'm a focus.
with caviar.
Better.
Pause.
We're done eating in New. Busog. Nag-deposit na kami lahat. So si ate naka-jackpot ng 2 beer. Pakita mo nga ate, pakita. Ikaw ko na interviews. What's your final thoughts on you? How was the experience?
A little disappointing, but because everything was bland. But I love the salmon. I love the birria. The birria was good. I like the desserts too. Di ko na tayo yung ice cream, pero yung mga little cakes, yung mga tiramisu and mango whatever it is, it was good. I really like it. If you wanna try, di ko alam. Magsambo ko din ka na lang.
Ikaw ate, what's your thoughts on you? How was your experience?
It's quite expensive for what was served, but the variety is a lot. I really like the roast beef, the salmon, and that's it.
How was your experience? Okay naman? Would you recommend it to people?
I would still.
It's a good experience. Like,
Yeah, for the vibes.
the vibes. But I like New. I still do. Hindi namin nakain yung xiaolongbao.
Oh, we forgot about it. Bakit ganyan yung hair ko?
But we didn't get to try the xiaolongbao. But either way, ang daming hako namin na try, ang daming lechon, ang daming roast beef.
Wait lang.
Not bad, I like it. Medyo bland nga yung ibang food. But a good experience. Kamusta experience mo sa New?
Okay naman, masarap siya. May mga sauce lang, like yung sauce ng lechon, sauce ng tempura.
Na medyo kulang.
Oo, kulang. Medyo hinahanap-hanap natin yung tamis ng konti sa classic na sauce ng lechon. Meron din dun sa sauce ng tempura. Usually hot yun eh.
Diba?
Na medyo matamis siya. Yun lang naman,
Ano favorite mo, Di?
roast beef. Roast beef. Saka yung yung salmon. Sarap yung salmon nila. Marami tayong hindi natikman, pero so far, okay naman. Kung i-rate mo siya from 9 to 10,
1 to 10.
1 to 10, 8.
8. Ako din.
8.
Ayun na yung mga sinabi ng pamilya ko, guys. Kayo na lang ang mag-decide kung itatry. What I recommend, maganda siyang experience. Kahit once lang. Medyo pricing nga lang. Ay magkapatid.
No more daw. Failed mission.
Wala daw? So walang Xiaolong Bao sa atin. Ay, pero when yun nilook forward natin.
Yeah.
Okay lang. It was good. Either way.
Ay, di, masarap din yung hako pala.
Yung hakaw. Nakailan akong hakaw. We're going home. Nag-ikot lang sa podium.
He killed the spider.
Oh my God, may gagamba kanina. Like right here. Tapos nung pinatay namin, bumaba pa siya.
Yeah. Killed it somewhere here.
Ayan, namatay na siya.
Dapat yan, hindi tataas, cool lang siya. Hindi siya lalagpas ng hot. Pag lumagpas siya ng kalahati ng hot, i-park mo na mag-ano kasi ibig sabihin mag-overheat ka. Ang gas, ito. Alam mo naman yan.
Yeah.
Alam mo na yan. Oh.
Yeah.
Stage sister.
So, ikaw na. Ayaw mo na yan. Ako mo to.
Okay. Ay, let's
Sige, ano lang to. Kumbaga saglit lang. Sa may ibang araw pa ka namin tuturuan ng matagal.
Ang init!
Tapos yan, once na medyo alanganin ka, stop ka lang.
Wow! This is
Oh my God! Wait lang, nasa yung hinihila?
Yan.
Ka lang pagka ganun.
Pag-start.
Pag medyo may alanganin na tumatawid or may kasunod ka,
Foot on the brake.
o break ka lang. Break ka lang. Ha? Tandaan mo kasi para safe. Pag medyo natatakot ka or alanganin ka, magbe-break ka lang. Okay lang yun. Titigil mo lang siya. Para safe. Pag nalilito ka. Huwag kang matatakot or kakabahan. Kasi pag medyo alanganin ka at natatakot ka, i-break mo lang. Di compose mo lang sarili mo ulit.
And note, the slower you go, the more you can see the things in front of
Oo,
you.
so sa mga beginner, tama lang yung mabagal. Basta straight, kasi alam mo, kahit mabagal ka, wala silang problema
Oo,
nila yun.
mag-overtake
Kasi
sila.
Mag-overtake sila. Wala kang nun, basta ikaw, nasa lane ka, hindi ka naman nagsuserve sa lane nila, sa kabilang
sila.
lane.
Oo, bahala
Basta
sila.
nasa tama ka, okay lang yun.
Always focus on your car instead talaga.
Okay.
Ready ka na,
Oo,
yeah.
yan.
And then,
Sa D na, sa
drive.
D.
D,
Yeah,
yes, drive. Yes.
There you go.
Tapos release ng preno
Brake.
unti-unti.
Slowly.
Slowly. Andun
Slowly
na yan.
mong
Sige, huwag ka
bitawan.
muna magagas. Sige lang.
Yan.
Oo.
Damdam mo, damdam mo.
Diba?
Bakit gumagalaw?
Ganun talaga.
Dahan.
Pag
Yan.
gusto mo ng prito, yan. Naiwasan mo na, malayo na siya.
Tama lang to di.
Tama na yan.
Yung space ko?
Tama lang yan.
Good lang yan. Sige lang.
Wait.
Pwede ka
Yan.
mag-accelerator ng konting-konti.
Hmm.
Ito, natatakot pa ako. Wait.
Okay lang yan. Sige,
Okay lang,
build your
sige, kasi
confidence.
nakapark
Sige,
pa
sige.
eh.
Uy!
Oh, titingnan mo.
Tingnan